I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening Discord on your phone and signing in if needed. Once inside, scan the left edge for the server icon you want, tap to open it. If you don't see the server, use the search or swipe through icons. Make sure you have a role that grants view channel or manage server. Without those, you can't access server settings or tags. Now that you're in the server, stay on the main server page and get ready for the next steps to reveal the server tag. You'll now tap the server name or the three-dot menu at the top to open server options. Choose Settings. Once inside, move to Server Overview or Widget. Location varies by app version. Look for the server's tag shown as #name or the server ID. If you only see names, enable Developer Mode in User Settings. Right arrow appearance, right arrow Developer Mode. Then long press the server icon and tap Copy ID. Once copied, you can paste the ID where needed. This reveals the server tag for bots and integrations. Finally, paste the copied server tag or ID into the bot configuration, invite link, or wherever required. You should see it identify the server. If nothing appears, make sure Discord has clipboard permissions and try pasting into a Note app to confirm the copy. Once done, restart Discord or update the app if the tag still won't show. If permissions are the issue, ask a server admin to grant view server or manage server roles. That usually resolves access or visibility problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.